Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we're going on a gondola ride up the mountain. There's like a restaurant at the top of it, and it's like a really cool view. It's like going out the video at the view. So that's gonna be really fun, and I don't know what else we're doing today, but we're gonna be doing that. We might go swimming today. I'm gonna go get in the shower and get ready for the day because we're leaving at like 11 or 12 o'clock. And then Hunter's still laying down because he just woke up. And yeah, so we will see you guys on our way to the gondola. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. So sorry it's super late, it's present time. Just finished editing the video now. I'm currently just watching TV relaxing. James and Hunter went to go night swim. They're swimming down at the pool. I just had to finish this video, get this up for you guys because I know I've been slacking. My laptop, I was gonna edit when we were in the bowling alley. You'll see that in tomorrow's video. I was gonna edit there, but my laptop died and I couldn't really edit there anymore because it died. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do like. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And as always, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.